Why wait to build? 2 years old all-brick Zurich stunner on prestigious Kingsbridge Lane. Zurich's most popular Orleans plan has been upgraded to the max by the current owner. Open floor plan, soaring ceilings, 9-foot doors, all hdwd floors, crown mldng every room, every countertop is granite. Kit West/enormous island, Frigidaire professional refrigerator freezer, specialty drawers, nat gas stove. Lvngrm West-owned FP and custom entertainment center. Sliding wall of windows leads to sunrm West/easy breeze windows, brick FP and wood ceiling. Master West straight ceiling and LG well-appointed master bath. All windows in home have custom wood louvers. Glass French doors to office. Upper level used as